The Milky Way galaxy, home to our solar system, and the Andromeda galaxy, our nearest neighbor, are on a collision course. This might sound like science fiction, but it's a reality. In about 5 billion years, astronomers predict that these two massive galaxies will collide, merging into one larger elliptical galaxy. But what exactly would happen if this collision were to occur? To understand this cosmic event, let's first look at the sheer scale of both galaxies. The Milky Way spans roughly 100,000 light-years in diameter and contains an estimated 100 to 400 billion stars. Andromeda, M31, is even larger, with about 1 trillion stars and a diameter of about 220,000 light-years. These colossal structures are held together by gravity and are constantly moving through space at significant speeds. Currently, Andromeda is approximately 537 million light-years away from Earth and is moving toward us at about 110 kilometers per second, 68 miles per second. By the time of the collision, our solar systems will not occupy the same positions as they do today. Earth will have its own changes over billions of years. The process of collision and eventual merger will unfold over millions of years. As the two galaxies begin to approach each other, their gravitational forces will start to influence the trajectories of the stars, gas, and dust within each galaxy. Initially, there will be no immediate impact. The distances between individual stars are vast, so direct collisions between stars are statistically unlikely. However, the gravitational interactions will cause significant disruptions in the structures of both galaxies. Galactic arms will be stretched, and tidal forces will create new patterns of star formation. Over time, gas clouds will collide, resulting in bursts of new stars being formed from the compression of gas. These stellar nurseries could lead to the birth of countless new stars, illuminating the sky of this merged galaxy. As the galaxies merge, they will create a new mass, likely an elliptical galaxy. The merging process will take a significant amount of time, perhaps as long as 2 to 3 billion years, to fully stabilize into a new structure. The center of the new galaxy will contain a supermassive black hole formed from the merger of the supermassive black holes at the centers of the Milky Way and Andromeda. This new black hole will exert a fierce gravitational pull, likely affecting the motion of stars and clusters nearby. The collision of these galaxies might produce massive shock waves that could ignite star formation across vast regions of the new galaxy. Amazingly, new stars might be born at a rate much higher than today, turning the dark voids of space into vibrant regions bursting with light. You might wonder what happens to Earth during this astronomical spectacle. By the time the galaxies collide, our solar system may be significantly affected, but it's improbable that our planet will collide with another star due to the vastness of space. However, the gravitational interactions could alter the orbits of stars and planetary systems, potentially sending our solar system to a different location in the galaxy. Even if our solar system survives the merging process intact, the sky would look dramatically different. There would be a dazzling array of new stars and nebulae, and the ships that sail the tides of the cosmos, such as the Milky Way and Andromeda, would also lead to new pathways of stellar transformation. The night sky would be spectacular, providing an awe-inspiring view that would intrigue future inhabitants, assuming life still thrives on Earth. Galactic collisions are not uncommon in the universe. Throughout cosmic history, such events have played a pivotal role in the evolution of galaxies. They serve as a reminder that the universe is ever-changing, constantly evolving from one state to another. Our own Milky Way has experienced numerous smaller collisions and mergers over its lifetime, leading to its current form. In a mere 5 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will merge in one of the most magnificent cosmic dances ever witnessed. While this event lies far beyond our lifetime, it reminds us of the vastness of space and the dynamic nature of our universe. It highlights the interconnectedness of galaxies and emphasizes that, in the grand scheme of things, we occupy just a tiny speck in this vast and ever-evolving cosmos. So while we may not see the collision of the